Hello children. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for flower. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for television. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for watch. X for Christmas. Y for yoga. Z for zebra. Like video and subscribe channel. Bye bye children.